The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, western Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albany to near Brodhead to 7 miles northwest of Lake Somerset, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Brodhead, Albany, Judah, Avon, and Attica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Brodhead, Albany, Judah, Avon, and Attica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe weather alarm phones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois.
Jay, hello. My name
is Greene counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the... The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rydot, or 9 miles east of Freeport. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near, with exit around 6:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Dakota, Rock City, Davis, Rock Grove, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include weather statements from the National Weather Service, Rock Grove, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. 6:18 p.m. Radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Oregon.
My dad. She taught me how.
Movement was north at 20 miles per hour. Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 7:30 p.m. Located along a line extending from near Pecatonica to 6 miles east of German Valley, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard,
Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 7:30 p.m.
Source,
at 6:47 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located
to vehicles is expected.
From near
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Durand around 7:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Harrison, Schiller,
Impact,
Seward, and
hail damage to vehicles is expected.
For your protection,
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Durand around 7:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Harrison, Seward, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, on the lowest floor of a building.
7 p.m. At 6:18 p.m. Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Oregon to Lake Somerset. Movement was north at 20 miles.
Hello, gratis.
Hazard, winds in excess of 40 miles per hour.
Why, driving savings.
Source. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Houston to near Evansville, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stoughton, Fulton, Utica, and Cooksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
The National Weather
Locations impacted include Stoughton, Fulton, Utica, and Cooksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
6:47 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Pecatonica to 6 miles east of Union County, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 11 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
And 3 inches of rain have fallen
in the past hour and a half.
Additional
rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, rapid onset flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pecatonica, Durand, and Seward. Flash flooding of some other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Grove Creek can be expected. Turn around. Don't drown by encountering flooded roads.
I'm Ed Donahue.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Sumner Creek, Pink Creek, Otter Creek, and Grove Creek can be expected. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb,
Where's that series?
Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois, as well as
Bluetooth.
standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest.